Hey goddesses, so now we're gonna make our no oven chocolate cake, which is gonna need 3 ingredients, and your 3 basic ingredients are going to be Cremo chocolate biscuits. You can actually use different types of flavored biscuits, but make sure that what's dominant is the chocolate flavored ones. Your second ingredient for the chocolate cake is baking soda or bicarbonate soda. You can also use baking powder. Your third and last ingredient that you're going to need for the chocolate cake is Carnation evaporated milk, but you can use fresh milk if that's not available. For your chocolate frosting, you're going to need 3 basic ingredients as well: thick cream, Nesquik, butter, and I'm just going to add one more ingredient to infuse on my chocolate frosting, which is going to be this 85% dark chocolate. So there you are, complete with all your 3 basic ingredients to make a moist chocolate cake. And this moist chocolate cake needs no baking. Instead, you're going to just need a steamer. Your first ingredient would be crushed chocolate Oreo or any chocolate biscuits, 2 cups. 10 packs of these Oreo biscuits, chocolate flavored, will make up to your 2 cups of crushed chocolate biscuits. So we're supposed to crush all these chocolate biscuits. We're using the bottom of the glass to crush it to finer textures. Now we're ready with the crushed Oreo biscuits, and we're gonna have to pour in our evaporated milk. Then mix them well. Mix it well until it becomes creamy. So now I'm ready to add my half teaspoon of baking soda. So while I set aside my creamy dark chocolate texture moisture cake, I'm gonna get ready with my container for steaming. I'm supposed to put like a wax paper surrounding the container, but that's not available, so I'm just gonna use the butter to grease the sides and the bottom of the container to make sure my chocolate moist cake would not stick on the glass container, and it's not going to be difficult to remove it later. So here's our ready to steam product, and as you can see, it's made 2 containers. So that means we've made chocolate moist cake for 4 people, and this is good for snacks, ready for steaming. So now we've just prepared our steamer, and we're just gonna wait another 10 to 15 minutes to let the water boil. And now that the water has boiled after 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna put on my creamy moist chocolate to steam for another 45 minutes. So we're gonna check, because after 20 minutes I can see it's already grown. Yes, but we're still gonna have to wait for another 20 minutes or 25 minutes to make sure the inner part of the chocolate cake is already cooked well. It's ready. In making your own chocolate frosting, put 1 cup of Nesquik, then add 1 teaspoon of butter, then add 1 teaspoon of KDD cream, add hot water, half cup. You're ready to mix them all together. If you like this video, you can share this with your friends, or follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account. I also have a TikTok account if you want some more fun content. And of course, subscribe and smash that notification bell button right there below that video, or leave your comments below and let me know what you think about this very easy to make chocolate cake and chocolate frosting that we made today. Thank you. See you again on my next vlog.